Hey there, everyone! It's your girl, GreenWaifu, coming at you with another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into a dream scenario. What to do if you win a Mr. Beast challenge. Can you imagine? 1 minute you're just chilling, and the next you're holding a giant check with more zeros than you can count. But before you start planning that trip to the Maldives or buying a pet tiger, let's talk about how to make that money work for you. Ready? Let's go. First things first, let's talk about creating a financial plan. I know, it sounds a bit boring, but trust me, it's the foundation of turning your winnings into long-term success. Imagine your money as a garden. Without a plan, it's like scattering seeds randomly and hoping something grows. But with a plan, you're planting a beautiful, organized garden that will flourish for years. So step 1, take a deep breath and don't rush into spending. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and make impulsive purchases. Instead, let's set some goals. What do you really want to achieve? Is it financial security, buying a home, or maybe starting a business? Write these down and let's prioritize them. Let's say you win $500,000. It might be tempting to spend it all on fun stuff, but think about the future. Maybe you want to buy a house. In many parts of the country, a decent starter home might cost around $300,000. By putting some of your winnings toward a down payment, you could significantly reduce your mortgage and save on interest over time. Next up, let's talk about an emergency fund. Think of it as your safety net. Life is unpredictable, and having a stash set aside for unexpected expenses can save you from financial stress. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It might sound like a lot, but remember, you just won a challenge. You're already ahead of the game. For example, if your monthly expenses are $3,000, you should aim to have at least $9,000 to $18,000 saved up. This fund could cover things like medical emergencies, car repairs, or even a sudden job loss. It's peace of mind knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Now that we've got our safety net, let's dive into investments. This is where the magic happens, folks. Investing is like planting seeds that grow into money trees, but it's important to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and maybe even real estate. And if you're new to investing, don't worry. There are plenty of resources and advisors out there to help you get started. Imagine putting $100,000 into a diversified portfolio. This could include index funds, which track the performance of a market index like the S&P 500. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 7% annually after inflation. So in 10 years, that $100,000 could grow to around $196,115 if those returns continue. That's the power of compound interest. Oh, and let's not forget about taxes. Winning a large sum can have significant tax implications. It's crucial to consult with a tax professional to understand what you'll owe and how to plan for it. Trust me, you don't want a surprise tax bill ruining your financial garden. For instance, if you win $500,000, you might need to pay around 24% in federal taxes, depending on your other income and deductions. That's $120,000 right there. By planning ahead, you can set aside the necessary amount and avoid any unpleasant surprises come tax season. With those basics covered, let's talk about giving back. I know it sounds cheesy, but there's real joy in helping others. Whether it's donating to a cause you care about or supporting a local community project, giving back can be incredibly rewarding. Plus, it can have tax benefits too. Imagine donating $10,000 to a charity that provides scholarships to underprivileged students. Not only are you making a positive impact, but you might also be able to deduct that donation from your taxable income, reducing your tax bill. It's a win-win. And finally, let's talk about personal growth. Use some of your winnings to invest in yourself. Maybe it's learning a new skill, going back to school, or even traveling to gain new experiences. The more you grow, the more you'll be able to achieve in the future. Consider enrolling in a course that teaches coding or digital marketing. These skills are in high demand and can open up new career opportunities. Or perhaps you want to travel and learn a new language. Experiencing different cultures can broaden your perspective and inspire new ideas. Remember, winning a Mr. Beast challenge is just the beginning. With the right financial moves, you can turn that win into a lifetime of opportunities. So let's recap. Create a financial plan, build an emergency fund, invest wisely, understand your taxes, give back, and invest in yourself. You've got this. Thanks for joining me on this financial adventure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Until next time, stay savvy and keep smiling. Bye.